Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 13. Our learning goal for today says, I can decompose and compose numbers to 6 using drawings and number sentences. All that means is we're going to make groups of 6, and then we're going to show that with drawings and number sentences, okay? So here we go. All right, when Miles was little, he loved to put magnets on the refrigerator. We would sometimes just sit in front of the refrigerator and make designs all afternoon. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some designs that we've made. So we have some circle magnets and we have some rectangle magnets. All right. Can you tell me about the magnets that you see? What do you see up there? Yeah, we've compared before. So you should be able to compare how many circle magnets you see versus how many rectangle magnets you see. Oh, yeah, great. I heard someone say we have 2 circle magnets and 3 rectangle magnets. Awesome. Now, what would happen if I slid those down and I put them all together in one group? Now, how could you describe the magnets? Oh, I like that. Yeah, someone said there were 5 magnets all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, because if I put the 2 parts together, now I have 5 magnets. I mean, I could talk about them in different pieces. Like I could say there are some are circles and some are rectangles. But I could just talk about them as a whole group, right? Hey, if we're talking about whole groups, I'm going to have to get out our number bond to organize what we're just saying. Okay, so let's see. Um, what are the different parts that make up all the magnets? Yeah, the rectangles and the circles. So let's see. I know that we had 3 rectangle magnets. See, right there. 1, 2, 3. How many circle ones did we have? Yeah, just 2. That would be our other part, right? Because when I slid them from the top to the bottom and put them all together as our whole amount, then that's when we came up with 5, right? Perfect. So right here, we just composed the number 5. We added 2 parts together to get the whole amount. We added this rectangle magnets to the circle magnets. And that's how we got to 5. Hey, let's try another one. Okay, this time I kept them spread out, but only because I was getting a little crowded down here in on my refrigerator. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and press pause and tell me about what you see with the magnets. Press play after you've shared your good thinking. Great, thank you. Yeah, there are 2 circles and 4 rectangle magnets. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and put that into a number bond. Can you go ahead and press pause, get your dry erase board and your marker, and then press play when you're all set? Okay, good. Go ahead and draw an empty number bond, will you, friend? All right. If I wanted to put all of those magnets together, how many magnets do I have in all? Let's see, I had 2 of the circle magnets, and I need 4 rectangle magnets, so I'm just going to count on 4, 5, 6, 6 altogether. Great. All right, let's fill in that number bond, shall we? 4 was one of my parts. It was the 4 rectangle pieces, right? Can you fill in the rest of your number bond with what you see? Oh, good. We want to fill in the other part, so what would that be? Great. It'd be our 2 circles. And if I have 4, and I add 2 more to it, like I had 4, and then I had the 2 here, and I put them all together in one big group on the fridge, how many do I have in all? Yes, 6. That's my whole amount of my magnets. Now, our learning goal said that we were going to make number sentences to go along with our pictures and our drawings. So we have our good drawing over here, and here's our great number bond. Let's talk about what number sentence. Now, a sentence I might tell you about my dog, I could say, my dog's name is Callie. And that's a sentence that tells you all about Callie, right? My dog. But the thing is, when we have numbers, we don't normally say, if I have 4 and then I add 2, it will equal 6. Nah. Normally we use shortcuts. We use the plus sign and the equal sign. So let's go ahead and let's start with 6 because that's the whole amount that we came up with. We could say that 6 is equal to, and then we'll write the parts that we put together. So let's see. Go ahead and write that on your board. 6 is equal to, 6 is equal to what? I'm going to do blank plus blank. Let's see, 6. Here's my group of 6, the whole amount. And it's equal to one of the parts plus the other part. So what if I said 6 is equal to 4 plus, Can you finish that number sentence? What would it say? 6 is equal to 4 plus, yeah, 2. Where did I get these 4 and 2 from? Yeah, I got them from the number bond. When I got them from the picture, right? Here's the 4 and there's the 2. When I put them all together, that's what gets me the whole amount. And I can write that in a number sentence. I could just say 6 is equal to 4 and 2 because 6 is the whole amount only after I've added 4 and 2. Hey, good job showing how we've composed and decomposed that number to 6. All right, go ahead and erase your board. Let's try another one, friend. Okay, so here's another one. What do you see? Great. You see 3 circles and 3 rectangles. Excellent. Let's go ahead and put that into our number bond. Can you go ahead and press pause? Fill out your number bond with what you think is going to match the picture that you see on the fridge, and then press play to check yourself. Okay, did you fill in your number bond? All right, let's see. We had 3 as one of the parts, and then the other part was, of course, 3. And then we put both of the parts together. How many magnets do we have in all? Great, friend, we had 6. All right, let's see. I know that we're doing our drawings, our number bond, which we've been doing a lot of those. And today we're really focusing on that good number sentence. So let's see. This time I'm going to start with, 3. I'm not going to do an equal sign next. I want to start with this 3 right here. And I need to use 3 and 6. What could I say? 3, oh, yeah, plus. On your dry erase board, can you try to finish the rest of that number sentence? 3 plus what equals what? Can you go ahead and write that and then press play? Okay, do you have the rest of that good number sentence? Remember in our last one we did 3 plus, and then we did the other part. We added the parts together. So 3 plus 3 for this one, right, friend? And if I have 3 and I add 3 more, that's going to equal my whole amount. In this case, equaling 6. Is that what you did on your number sentence? Friend, excellent job. Well, you're doing so wonderful. Let's try one more. Erase your board, will you please? All right, I'm not going to help you. What I would like you to do is I want you to go ahead and try to fill in the number bond with the picture that you see about the magnets, and then you try to write one number sentence. Don't worry, our number sentences might be a little bit different, but that's okay. So go ahead and try it. Press pause while you do all that good work, and then press play to check yourself. Okay, did you fill in your number bond? Okay, so before we get started, I just want to talk about what I see. I see 1 circle magnet and 5 rectangle magnets. So 1 and 5, and then all together that's going to be 5, 6. 6 magnets. All right, so I'm going to put that into my number bond. I had 5 rectangle ones and then 1 circle. And the whole amount of all the magnets I have are 6. Now the number sentence I came up with was 6 is equal to, because sometimes I like to start with the whole amount, and say 6 is equal to 5 plus 1. Now friend, maybe you didn't start with the whole amount, so maybe yours is a little bit different. Maybe you did 5 plus 1 equals 6. Or maybe you went in the other direction and said 1 plus 5 equals 6. There's lots of different ways that we can write a number sentence to show this, but this is just the one I chose. How'd you do, friend? Good, excellent job. I'm so glad this is going well because our learning goal said I can decompose and compose numbers to 6 using drawings and number sentences, and that's exactly what we did today. Now it's your turn. Here's my refrigerator. I'm going to go ahead and put some magnets up there. Slide those together. All right. Now, oops, I think I need to add more magnets to my fridge. Yep. Sorry, fridge is getting a little wild today. Okay, there we go. I put them all together. Sorry about that, friends. I wasn't too organized with all my stuff. All right, so I have a fridge filled with magnets, and I started out a number bond for you, and I started a number sentence. Can you go ahead and finish the number sentence for me using the parts that you see in the fridge, and then also finish the number bond? When you're done with that, go ahead and send it on Seesaw. I can't wait to see your good work. Good luck, friends.